Rahul Gandhi, as you know, is in the state of Bihar, and he has now launched a fresh attack against the centre. He's raked up the voter fraud issue in that Bihar Bandh rally. Remember, this rally has been called in by the India Bloc, and Rahul Gandhi was speaking at this rally where he said that the Election Commission is speaking the language of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the RSS combined.
लोकसभा का चुनाव हुआ, उससे कुछ ही महीने पहले लोकसभा के चुनाव के कुछ ही देर बाद महाराष्ट्र और हरियाणा में विधानसभा का चुनाव हुआ। लोकसभा के चुनाव में महाराष्ट्र में इंडिया गठबंधन मेजॉरिटी लेके आए, जीत के आया, और विधानसभा के चुनाव में कुछ ही महीने बाद इंडिया गठबंधन बुरी तरह हारा। उस समय हमने कुछ ज्यादा बोला नहीं, मगर हमने काम शुरू किया। 21वीं सदी है, डेटा की सदी है, डेटा की सेंचुरी है। हमने डेटा देखना शुरू किया, और जैसे ही हमने डेटा देखना शुरू किया, हमें पता लगा कि लोकसभा में और विधानसभा में 1 करोड़ नए वोटर शामिल हुए। मतलब विधानसभा में 10% ज्यादा वोटरों ने वोट किया, और जब हमने पता लगाया कि ये वोटर कहां से आए, ये कौन है, तो आश्चर्य की चीजें निकली। हर कंस्टिट्यूएंसी में जहां भी वोटर बढ़े, जिन जिन कंस्टिट्यूएंसी में वोटर बढ़े, वहां पर बीजेपी जीती। सारे के सारे वोट जो नए वोट आए, वो सारे के सारे बीजेपी को गए।
My colleague Arunima is now joining us. Arunima, this looks like a deja vu of what we'd seen, what Rahul Gandhi had said during Maharashtra. But isn't raking up Maharashtra very odd, because it is a lost battle for the Congress because the courts have said so?
Not really, because the very reason why this SIR exercise is being done by Election Commission, they have said that it is because of what Rahul Gandhi has alleged. He's the leader of opposition, he's not just any other person, and he's made the same charge which you heard him making now on the floor of Lok Sabha. So what EC officials have said is that to put to rest any doubt, because after Maharashtra and Haryana, this is the first assembly election that is happening in Bihar, and EC officials say that we were expecting that after Bihar elections also similar doubts would have been raised, and that's why we are doing this special intensive revision of revising the electoral rolls. This rally that has been called by the India Bloc in Patna is against EC's SIR drive. The fact that Rahul Gandhi is referring to Maharashtra yet again will perhaps be seen by EC that we told you so, that they're going to rake up this issue, and that is why this exercise is needed. And the opposition's concern about Bihar SIR is ill-founded. You can't have the cake and eat it too. You can't allege Maharashtra electoral rolls were tampered with, and maybe want to set the electoral rolls right in Bihar. You allege Malafaidi there also. That's going to be the EC stance.
But they are underlining this fact that this entire SIR exercise is a deliberate attempt to disenfranchise the marginalized communities. At least that is the charge by Rahul Gandhi and the India Bloc members.
Well, he's come out and attacked the Election Commission directly. I mean, CEC has been attacked. You heard this line earlier from Mamata Banerjee also, where she said that CEC is a former secretary of Amit Shah. It is correct, Ganesh Kumar was a secretary in Ministry of Cooperation. Amit Shah is the minister in charge for Ministry of Cooperation. But to raise personal questions against the CEC is definitely something that is not being taken kindly by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Rahul Gandhi is also speaking the same language, making personal attacks against the CEC, against the Election Commission of India, saying that you're working as not like the Election Commission of India, but like the Election Commission of the ruling combined. So these personal attacks are because the opposition feels that the SIR exercise will be disadvantageous to voters who are traditionally seen as vote banks of RJD or Congress. But I have to tell you this, that as far as the EC's decision that only ordinary residents should be on the electoral rolls, those who are migrant Biharis who are working in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore or other parts of the country, for them it could be a loss, and that loss could affect the fortunes of not just RJD or Congress, but perhaps also JDU and the allies.
So when one final thing that I would like to understand from you, when Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi and these tall leaders are accusing the Election Commission of India that this entire process is lacking transparency, what exactly are they hinting at? And they also say that this looks like a very rushed job.
Yes, 2-3 things. One, when SIR was announced, the opposition parties say that how can you announce such an exercise without having any consultation with the stakeholders? So that is what they mean when they say that there is no transparency. Second, you've given only 1 month timeline for everyone to come up with their enumeration form and the documents. That's too short a time, especially for the Simanchal region of Bihar, which is Purnia, Kishanganj, Araria. These are border areas, border with Nepal. These are also flood-prone areas, and this is the monsoon season. So how do you expect them to get their documents when they're, fighting for survival to keep themselves afloat as the rivers are overflowing? So these have been primary two criticism of the opposition. But the EC has turned around and said, we have met all political parties. We are even now meeting political party representatives. Asaduddin Owaisi's AIMIM delegation met. There was a joint delegation of RJD, Congress and other opposition parties who have met the EC. So they say we have been carrying out the consultation process. It is Rahul Gandhi who has made himself unavailable, even though we have asked when can we meet you. And the second thing that the EC is saying is that as far as time goes, the time is too less. I think yesterday evening, more than 46% of enumeration forms as per EC data had been returned. And the documents, EC says, can be given by August, which is when the claims and scrutiny stage. So there is time to give the documents as well. So EC, tomorrow when the Supreme Court hears this matter, is going to counter every charge that the opposition is making.
Right, Arunama. Thank you so much for that.